Hello? Yes, ma'am. This is Jerome Goddard. I'm the medical entomologist here at the university. Yeah, I could probably help you with spider problem. You say a spider ran out of the bushes and bit your dog? And the spider was so big that it covered the entire head of your dog? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, and there are no spiders like that here. There's no spiders in the whole North America that could do that. Yes, ma'am. That's what we do here at the university. We identify bugs and spiders for people, but we need a specimen. If you could get one, yes, ma'am, I understand. You say it's too big to get, but if you could get a specimen, we'll identify it. That's what we do. Well, give me your phone number. I'll see what I can do. Give me your phone number. 662-555-3189. Where do you say you live? Tell me where you live again. Out by Knoxby Refuge. That's Knoxby Wildlife Refuge. On the backside near the swampy area. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm really at a loss to tell what to tell you. I don't know. Okay, okay. I'll see what I can do. I'll try to look up something, see what I can do. Thank you. Bye. Another one of those. There ain't no way. Looking at all these books about spiders big enough to kill a dog. There just ain't no such a thing. The spider book. These old parasite books. The oldest one I got, the oldest reference I can come up with, this old ancient thing. Let's see. This old book, back in the 1800s, it says, let's see here. It says there's some spiders. Where was that? It says there's some spiders that go up trees and catch birds, but they couldn't kill a dog. Let's see what it says. Here it is. These are running tarantulas, a fact that might be inferred from the armature of their tarsi, which are furnished with scapulae and terminal tenant hairs, it says. To this subfamily belong the largest tarantulas, those that are most feared on account of their size. In South America, there's a species having a body 2 inches in length and whose legs expand more than 7 inches. The habits of this spider were described by Madame Marion 200 years ago. She stated that it destroyed small birds and suggested the name of the genus Avicularis, and also the popular name bird species. They rarely dig in tree burrows but make use of natural cavities in the ground or in the trunks of trees. Oh, here it is. One extremely rare member of the Avicularini The Borneo blood-sucking spider is believed to reside in the rainforest where it feeds on the blood of a wide variety of medium-sized mammals. If confirmed, this would be the only species worldwide to feed on large mammals. Let me think a minute. What in the world is something? Who was that guy? Who was that guy? There was a guy here at this college. There was a guy here who, in the 50s, Hankins or something like that. Hankins. And he photographed spiders all over the world. And I can remember distinctly some of those old guys that are dead now saying he went to Borneo and tried to find that Borneo blood-sucking spider. Seemed like one of them said that he said the egg sac was really pretty, pink and yellow or something. What was that? My goodness, I hope that guy didn't find one of those egg sacs and bring it back here. Heaven help us if he did. Last week we stopped with the tarantulas in class. We're going to start back today with that group of spiders, that family. There's a subfamily of tarantulas called the Aviculariinae that catch birds down in South America. Oh. They're as big as a pie plate, and they're down at the bottom of the tree, and they run up the tree and catch birds. I don't know how big. I don't know if it's an eagle or something. I don't know. And they wrestle them down and suck their juices out. Can you imagine that? Mm-hmm. Yes, Christine?
Is that the biggest, deadliest spider there is?
That's a good question. The most deadly spider in the world is actually in Australia, and they're only about, I don't know, big as $50. But the biggest spider, certainly, are these avicularians that run up trees and catch birds and suck their juices out.
Are there any that can kill mammals like dogs or cats or even people?
Big things like a dog or a cat? I don't think so, but I will be honest with you. There's a report in the scientific literature in a very obscure journal that says there's a spider in Borneo, that's over in Indonesia, that is so big and so deadly that it runs out and I guess it wrestles down pigs and cows and things. I just don't believe it. I don't believe it. I believe it when I see it. I believe it's like the abominable snowman or Area 51 or whatever. I just don't believe it.
Well, I'm not scared of it. If I see one, he's going to die of lead poisoning before he does anything else. You know what I mean?
Typical Southern wildlife management measure. Just shoot the thing and ask questions later.
Shoot first, ask questions later. That's why they sample things. Oh. Before I forget, Joe, I'm sorry, we're just picking on you. Before I forget, tonight I want y'all to be ready for our field trip. We're going to go down to the swamp down by Noxby Refuge. You may need to bring boots. We're going to collect bugs down there for your med-in class collection. It's going to be a lot of fun, but there's some hazards out there, so come dressed appropriately. Okay? Oh, and Joe, you can bring your spider gun. Let's get some of these nets given out here and do some collecting. We'll have some jars and nets for the collector. Here, pack them around.
Thank you. So that giant spider you were talking about, how would its egg sac look?
That's a good question because the spider is supposedly so big. What would the egg sac look like? All I know is that literature thing that talked about the Borneo blood-sucking spider said that it was pinkish and yellow. Can you believe that? Because there was a note that said it was really beautiful.
All right, sign for me.
I don't know, I guess sometimes. Big old tree blew down out here, man. Get up here where those folks are. All right, now this is a creepy area. There's all kind of ticks and mosquitoes out here for your collection. So we're gonna split up and go out into the woods here and collect. I'd like for you to stay in too, because there ain't no telling what's out here either. So that's what we're gonna do for a while, and then we'll meet back at the cars by dark, okay? Y'all stay safe. Don't let any big old snakes or some alligators eat you. We can collect some mosquitoes out here. There's some huge mosquitoes out here. Well, maybe not that big, but they're big. There's big stuff out here, really, in these swamps. Let's go on down around here.
I've got my specimen jar. I just hope I come across one of those big spiders.
Think it'll fit in there?
It will.
Good place as any. Let's split up and go out into this swamp, okay?
Okay.
All right. Be careful.
Whoa. Ew. Looks like an egg. I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna get a good grade on this. Nobody else gonna have this.
Oh, no! Hey, what happened? Look, something's wrong with Christine. You're the closest thing we got to a doctor. Check him out. You veterinarian.
Joe, are you all right? Oh no, he's been bitten.
Oh my gosh. Somebody call 911. Let's try to get him out to the road. Come on, y'all help me. Let's get him out to the road.
No, I don't think I'm gonna turn this in. I think I'm just gonna keep it for myself. It looks pretty cool.
Was I dreaming? Oh, yeah, the Borneo blood-sucking spider. Man, I hope that thing's not loose here. Where's that woman's number? Maybe I should give her a call.